the standard error of big Y bar. The standard error of big Y bar is an estimator of the standard deviation of big Y bar. The standard error of big Y bar is denoted capitals SE of big Y bar, or sigma sub big Y hat, when big Y sub 1 through big Y sub n are independently and identically distributed. The standard error of big Y bar equals sigma sub big Y bar hat equals S sub big Y over the square root of n, equation 3.9. That was key concept 3.4. The standard error of big Y bar. Because the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of big Y bar is sigma sub big Y bar equals sigma sub big Y over square root of n, equation 3.9 justifies using S sub big Y over square root of n as an estimator of sigma sub big Y squared. The estimator of sigma sub big Y S sub big Y over square root of n is called the standard error of big Y bar and is denoted standard error of big Y bar, or sigma sub big Y bar hat. The standard error of big Y bar is summarized as in key concept 3.4. When big Y sub 1 through big Y sub n are independently and identically distributed, draws from a Bernoulli distribution with success probability P, the formula for the variance of big Y bar simplifies to P open 1 minus P close over n. The exercise 3.2. The formula for the standard error also takes on a simple form that depends only on big Y bar and n. Standard error of big Y bar equals the square root of big Y bar open 1 minus big Y bar close over n. Calculating the p-value when sigma sub big Y is unknown. Because S sub big Y squared is a consistent estimator of sigma sub big Y squared, the p-value can be computed by replacing sigma sub big Y in equation 3.6 by the standard error. Standard error of big Y bar equals sigma sub big Y bar hat. That is when sigma sub big Y is unknown and big Y sub 1 through big Y sub n are independently and identically distributed. The p-value is calculated using the formula p-value equals 2 phi open negative absolute value of big Y bar superscript act minus mu sub Y naught over the standard error of big Y bar. Equation 3.10. The t-statistic, the standardized sample average, open big Y bar minus mu sub big Y naught over the standard error of big Y bar, plays a central role in testing statistical hypotheses and has a special name, the t-statistic or t-ratio. T equals big Y bar minus mu sub big Y naught over the standard error of big Y bar, equation 3.11. In general, a test statistic is a statistic used to perform a hypothesis test. The t-statistic is an important example of a test statistic.